I am Suman Roy and welcome back to my channel. So today's topic of discussion is placement of 5th house lord in different houses of a particular horoscope. So we will discuss about that briefly, but before that, if you are new to my channel, then please consider subscribe and also press the bell icon so that you will never miss any update from this channel. And if you want to take any type of personal consultation from me, then please go to the description section. You will get all the details from there. And if you found this video quite informative, then please hit the like button, also comment below and share this video with all the astrology lovers. Happy Janmashtami to all of you. Okay, so now without wasting any time, let's start. See, 5th house is the house of your intelligence, your happiness, education, all kind of love affair or romance related things, creativity, or any kind of speculation related things can also be associated with 5th house. 5th house is also connected to your past life karma, your children. It is basically a dharma trikon house. All kinds of scripture, spiritual practices or knowledge of Vedas, Shastras, this type of things are all associated with 5th house. So 5th house is the very important house, but see, we will discuss about only the house placement, but the sign placement also matters, and also the dignity of the planet should be checked before reach to any conclusion. So now if 5th lord goes to the 1st house, then it basically denotes that this person is very intelligent, educated and a very creative person. This native is also very fun-loving and easy-going nature. They can gain from any kind of speculation or stock market, share market, gambling, this type of things. Here they will lucky in love affair related things, or they will get love from their partner in relationships. They will have good children also in future. They are very spiritual kinded person, means they may be interested into scriptures or Vedas. Okay. If 5th lord goes to the 2nd house, then it basically indicates that this native will use their intelligence and their speech to earn wealth in life. Means this is a good placement from financial point of view. They will care for their family and earn all types of comforts for their family. This person is a family oriented person or gain happiness from family. Here this person will also be good looking and their spouse will also very good looking. They will have good children in life. They will gain from speculation or any kind of spiritual related activities or food business, family business. If they have any kind of family business, then they will gain from that business. Okay. If 5th lord goes to the 3rd house, then it basically indicates that this type of people will communicate in a very intelligent way. This type of people will get happiness from their younger sibling and their neighbors, means their younger siblings or neighbors will be very supportive, caring in nature. They will fond of traveling, or they may travel to distant places for their education or for any type of creativity related things. Here they will gain success in life by using their intelligence, communication and their efforts. So this type of people are very much courageous in nature and will lead a adventurous life. They will gain from writing related things or media related things or any kind of sports. Okay. They can become a good entrepreneur also. If 5th lord goes to the 4th house, then it basically indicates that they will get happiness into their home and homeland or from mother. Mother will be a source of inspiration into their life. Their creativity mainly flourishes into their home only. They may prefer to work from their home, means there will be some kind of private office into their home, means education related, like they can run a coaching center from their home. Basically this placement is good from materialistic point of view, means they will gain from vehicles, homeland or property related issues, or here they will get love from their partner in love relationship. They will have good children in future. This type of people can become a teacher, a professor or a spiritual teacher, or any kind of creativity related work will be suitable for them. Now if fifth lord goes to the fifth house, then it is a very strong placement to have fifth house lord in fifth house. So this type of people are very much educated, intelligent and very creative also. They can gain from any type of creativity related things or education related things, means they can become a professor or any kind of teacher. They are very spiritual person also. They will gain from spirituality, or any kind of speculation related business will be suitable for them. They will be lucky in love related matters, means they will gain happiness in love relationship, or they will gain happiness from their children also. If fifth lord goes to the sixth house, so sixth house is a Dushtana house, but we have to check the sign placement and also the dignity of the planet. So I will tell you both the aspects. If it is positively placed, then what will happen, and if it is negatively placed, then what will happen. If it is positively placed here, then they will find happiness into their routine work life, means they will enjoy their office life. And they will compete in life with all kinds of enthusiasm. They can be in any kind of healing related profession, medical profession or law related profession. Here this type of person is very much spiritual, or they will have love for animals. But if it is negatively placed here, then there will be some kinds of health issues or any kind of digestion related issues, stomach related issues, or then this type of native will have many enemies, especially hidden enemies in life. But no matter what the placement is, it basically harms the love affairs mainly, or your love life. You will not find that much happiness from your partner in love relationship, or there will be some kind of lack of happiness from love relationship. Your love relationship may end up in conflicts or disputes. Okay, so love life basically hamper from this placement. Here one thing can also be seen, like they can take loan for their education also, or there will be some kinds of obstacles in education. From children point of view, I will say that we have to see both the charts, then we can reach to any conclusion. But it is not a very good placement from children point of view also. Now if fifth lord goes to the seventh house, then it is again a very good placement from marriage point of view. This type of native basically want to convert their love relationship into marriage, means they basically don't believe in arranged marriage related concepts. So they will gain happiness from marriage or business partnership. They will be in any kind of education related business or creativity related business. They will gain fame from business partnerships, especially creativity related activities. This is a good placement from financial point of view also, or they may travel for business or any kind of education related things. This type of people are very much jolly natured and easygoing person. Now if fifth lord goes to the eighth house, then it is again a Dushtana house, but we have to check the sign placement and the condition of the fifth house lord. So I will tell you both the aspects here. If it is positively placed, then this type of native will be very much interested into all kinds of mysterious things, means occult related things, or they will gain from occult science, means they can become an astrologer also. here if it is negatively placed, then any kind of health related issues will arise, or long term health issues, or any kind of mysterious health issues. See, 8th house is the house of transformation and changes. So basically transformation and changes will come into your love life or into your education. Now if it is positively placed here, then positive transformation will come, but if it is negatively placed here, then negative transformation will come. Here any kind of secret love affair will going on into this person's life, or here love affair will go through many changes. They will not get that much happiness from their partner or from their children also. If it is positively placed, then this type of people are very much spiritual in nature, religious in nature. They can meditate for long hours also. But if it is negatively placed, then they will be very confused and will not understand what kind of life path will be suitable. Okay, so this type of negative things will arise then. Now if 5th lord goes to the 9th house, then it is an excellent placement to have, because two dharma trikon houses are interconnected here. So this type of people are very much fortunate, and they will enjoy all kinds of happiness in life because of their good karma in past life. They will be very intelligent, or they will be in any kind of higher education related field, means they can be a professor, a teacher, or a spiritual teacher, religious teacher. This type of people are very much kind hearted and helpful also. They will help all the needy people by their religious work. They will fond of traveling, or they will enjoy to travel long distance places. They will gain from traveling also. Here their father may be a very intelligent person and a very creative person also. Here relationship with father will also be very good. Means they are fortunate from all the aspects of life, and luck will be in favor for this person all time, and they will get happiness from their children. Okay, now if 5th lord goes to the 10th house, then this type of people will gain happiness from their profession, and they will convert their education into profession. Means they can be a teacher, a professor, or they can be in any kind of higher education related field or any kind of creativity related field. They will gain name, fame, success from their profession. They will use their intelligence into their professional life to gain success and fame. Basically, this placement is a very good placement to earn social reputation, prestige, honor in life. And they will also get happiness from their loved ones and their children also. They will gain from any kind of religious activities, or any kind of political field will also be suitable for this person. Okay, if 5th lord goes to the 11th house, then this placement will be very good from financial point of view. See, 11th house is the upacha house, so more time will go, you will get the benefits from 11th house related things. So here basically it shows that you will gain income by using your intelligence, your creativity skills, and you will gain from any kind of speculation related business or risky business or risky ventures. You can become a very good businessman from this placement, or businesswoman. Your all wishes and desires will fulfill from this placement. You will gain happiness from your elder siblings, your friends. You will find love in life, and you will get happiness in love relationship from children. So, and basically you will gain much more wealth in life. So it is basically a very good placement from fulfilling your desires to gain wealth. Okay, if 5th lord goes to the 12th house, then 12th house is again a Dushtana house. So we have to check the sign placement and also the condition of the planet. So now if fifth lord is in 12th house and if it is positively placed here, then this person will be very much spiritual in nature and very much religious also. They will find happiness in isolation basically, or their creativity will flourishes in any kind of isolated places. They will enjoy traveling to foreign lands or any kind of isolated places. Here one thing also is seen from this placement, like they can meet their love of their life into foreign lands. So yeah, this thing can be also be seen from this placement. They can go to foreign lands for their education purpose or any kind of creativity related purpose, or their children may go to foreign land for educational purpose. But if it is badly placed here, then loss of your loved ones can also be seen from this placement, because 12th house is the house of losses, expenses. Is positively placed, then it basically indicates that you will give your knowledge to others, means expense of your knowledge. But if it is badly placed here, then many more negative things will come in life. If it is negatively placed, then they will become very much imaginative and they will lose their judgmental ability in life. Okay, so I have discussed about the placement of 5th house lord in these different houses, and I hope you will get some kinds of similarity based on this. Okay, so now that's it for today, and see you in the next video. Take care and bye bye.